this is what we're working with right now. As you can see, we've got some brass looking pieces on this right here, the door. You can see inside it's kind of looking, you know, gnarly, a little dirty. So yeah, this is what we're working with right now. I'm gonna take that outside. I'm gonna spray that down. We'll see what that looks like. But yeah, so right now that's what our fireplace looks like. So, but I think that once we give this a black finish, this is gonna really just pop. So stay tuned, guys. I'll bring it outside with you guys. Since I got all of these windows off the fireplace, I took the glass out, and now I'm going to be spray painting them a glossy black. And I might have to hit it with this brush so the paint sticks better, but this is where I'm at right now.